Hey everybody, Danny Greco here. A quick topic that's come to my mind. We may have talked about it if you're a current client of mine, but over the last month or so, we've really seen mortgage interest rates start to rise. This is something that typically, as more interest rates rise, might put downward pressure on home prices. So this is something that I'm really paying a lot of attention to because I think that they are only going to continue to rise in the short term because think of all the statistics that are coming out. They're comparing them from a year-over-year standpoint. Well, we're a year into the beginning of the pandemic when, of course, the economy just tanked. So regardless of maybe how well the economy is or isn't doing, it's going to look a hell of a lot better than what it was this time last year, which could give maybe a false sense of optimism or create more optimism than there should be, which are going to increase rates because of a positive outlook there. So anyway, this is something to really look forward to as we're in this spring market that is going to see week after week here more homes hit the market. So my last video, I talked about just how wildly insane the market is, and that's still very true right now. But in the next 30, 60 days, that could really start to taper off as more homes come on the market. Those interest rates get more expensive, more buyers potentially drop out. Now, if you're looking at something in the $500,000, $600,000 range, it's probably not going to make a difference. We're just so short of supply and so oversupplied with buyers in that range. But if you're $1 million, $1.5 million, $2 million, if we are going to see any effects from these, it's going to trickle down from the top. So I'm going to pay particular attention to what's happening in that range to really see if we're starting to see any kind of maybe not cracks isn't the perfect word, but any kind of loosening or softening that may trickle down into the more under $1 million market. So something to look forward to.